Morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, King Shibi and the Two Birds. We are going to start this story. King Shibi was famous all over the world and in the heaven for his kindness and good governance. So King Shibi was famous all over the world, in a heaven also, for his kindness and for his governance. What is the meaning of governance? Governance means ruling of a country. So he was ruling of a country in a very kindness way. So he made sure that every being in his kingdom got justice and lived in peace. What he was thinking? He was thinking and he made sure that every being which are living in the kingdom, they should live in a peaceful manner and they should got proper justice. So one day Shibi saw in his garden a wounded pigeon flapping its wings in a desperate effort to fly. So what he saw? He saw a wounded pigeon. It means he was in pain. That pigeon was in pain. So that pigeon was flapping its wings in a desperate means hopeless, in a hopeless effort to fly. Then what the king did? The king lifted the bird from the ground and wrapped it in his shawl to comfort it. What he did? He picked that pigeon and he wrapped that pigeon in his shawl and for comfort it. The next moment he saw a fierce falcon. What he saw? He saw a fierce falcon. What is the meaning of fierce? Fierce means wild animal which is ready to attack. Right? So fierce falcon, you can see in this picture also. This is fierce falcon. And landing on a parapet. What is the meaning of parapet? Parapet means a low wall along the edge of a balcony. So this is balcony and a low wall, that is low wall where a fierce falcon is sitting. So Shibi saw it. Shibi at once realized how the pigeon was wounded. The king Shibi at once realized how he realized to see this fierce falcon. He saw this fierce falcon and he realized how the pigeon was wounded, right? And why it looked so frightened? Why it was wounded and why it looked so frightened? So the falcon spoke in a human voice. That fierce falcon, he spoke in a human voice. "O king, you are known as a kind ruler living for the well-being of your subject." What the fierce falcon spoke? Fierce falcon spoke to the king, "You are a kind ruler, man. है ना? You are a good governess, but what you are doing? But today you are being cruel to me." Who said this? Fierce falcon said to King Shibi, "You are cruel to me. I saw you guarding that pigeon which was my prey." Why he was saying? Because fierce falcon want to eat that pigeon and the King Shibi is saving it. उसको सेव कर रहा था. Then I saw you guarding that pigeon. You are gardening. You are saving that pigeon which was my prey. And why do you snatch my food from me? Because fierce falcon, he was searching the food and that pigeon was wounded by him. So he said to kind Shibi, he said to kind King Shibi, "Then why you are snatching my food from me?" Then Shibi replied, "Oh, king of birds." King Shibi is saying to Fierce falcon, you are king of birds. This poor pigeon is hurt and tired, and it came to my refuge, trusting that I would save its life. Because I cannot see him alonely and in wounded, and he is facing problem and he is in danger, so it is my duty to protect it from danger, right? So just as you do not want to die of hunger, this little bird does not want to be eaten by a predator. Predator means an animal that kills and eat other animal. It means you want to die your hunger. आप अपनी भूख मिटाना चाहते हो, that's why you want to kill this bird. So please tell me, in return for this pigeon's life, what other food I can offer you? Then King Shibi told to Fierce Falcon, right? So instead of this animal, instead of this pigeon, what you want to take from me, right? So student, rest of the story we will discuss in another video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.